There's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. In this video, we're going to take a spin on this wheelchair lift that goes from this level all the way up there, here in Building B of Kishwaukee College in Malta, Illinois. But yeah, as you can see, the only other way you can get from this level to that level is by walking up those steps, and there is no elevator up to that floor. So for that reason, they added in this wheelchair lift. So that said, we're going to take on a ride. Now this wheelchair lift happens to be made by a company called Bella Elevator LLC. Now I've heard of this company before, but I've never ridden a wheelchair lift by a company. I believe they manufacture LULAs as well that are branded under Symmetry. So yeah, we're going to take a ride on our first Bella elevator for the first time. So let's enter the lift. I'm trying not to slam it. There we go. So now let's take it up for a spin. Alright, so here we are at the top. Wow, the wheelchair lift was pretty loud, but not as loud as other wheelchair lifts I've been on. It also seems to kind of wiggle back and forth when moving. So that's another way to prove that these are cheaply made. So I'm going to take this back down to the bottom and look out this side. I should take that back. This thing is pretty obnoxious. While we're in here, we'll get a little cab view. Here's the top landing up there. Here's your control panel and your key to turn it on and off. But yep, as you can see, this is indeed a Bella, and it's manufactured in. So this was actually put in 2014. So before that there was no elevator to get down here. It looks like this thing's also maintained by DME Elevators and Lifts. And here's your emergency phone. And where theoretically the inspection certificate would be located. So I'm going to exit this thing. There also seems to be a breaker switch here to turn on and off the lift, I guess. Oh, and it's a square D breaker switch. Same kind of breaker switches that a lot of mechanical sirens like Federal Signal use. So, yeah guys, that was the wheelchair lift here, and that's going to be it.